Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you install Minecraft Forge version onto your Minecraft launcher, and I'll show you how you can do this. So first of all, we're going to launch up Brave, okay, or whatever browser you're using, and you're going to search for Minecraft, okay, Forge, okay. Once you search for that, okay, you're going to click on downloads for Minecraft Forge for Minecraft, okay. Then you're going to pick whatever version you want to use. I'll pick the 1.1.1.19.1, and you're going to click on installer. Once you click on installer, do not click on anything of this, okay, and then you're going to go to the top left, and you're going to click on skip. Once you click on skip, you're going to choose your desired location if you wanted to install your Forge installer, and then I'll choose the desktop, okay, and then I'll save and it actually download right now. Now, once I have it over here, as you can see, it's over here. As you can see, I have my Forge installer over here. Now, one thing that you're probably going to find is that it's going to be like this, okay? The installer is going to be like this in a WinRAR, okay? So what you need to do is definitely just downloading Java, okay? You just go on here and just search for download Java, okay? And then you download Java. Once you download Java for Windows over here, and then you download Java, it's pretty simple. Okay, once you download Java, now you're going to go onto your installer, then you're going to click left click on it, right click on it, and then open with, and then choose another app, and then choose Java TM Platform SE Binary. And once you choose that, you're going to click on always use this app to open .jar files. Okay, and then click OK. Once you click OK, it's going to switch to the Java logo, and then once you click on it, okay, you're going to find this. You're going to click on install client and click on OK. It's going to install Minecraft Forge, and of course, and again, a lot of people would like to install Forge because they want some mods to just spice up their survival worlds or something like that. So it's pretty fun to know how you can install Forge for mods. And if you want to know how to install mods, there's another video we have of how you can install mods and set it up. So now, need no friends, but it's not that quick. And now after we're back over here, successfully installed client profile Forge for 1.19.9. Now it is successfully installed. Now I'm going to show you how you can set it up. Now we're going to go on our Minecraft launcher. Once we're in Minecraft launcher, okay, we're going to... Now once we're in our Minecraft launcher, we're going to click on installations. And as you can see, you're going to find Forge 1.19.1. Once you can, then how can we choose that? We're going to click on one. We're going to go over here onto our versions tab in play, and then we're going to click on Forge. Once you click on that, as you can see, you have the 1.19.1 Forge, and it's that easy to install Forge. So that's how you can install Forge, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you later.